hand in and out breathing. So let us practice this together. Stretch both your hands in front, palms touching each other. As you inhale slowly, moving your hands by the side, expand your chest. And as you exhale, slowly bringing your hands back with the palms touching each other. Let us practice this together with our eyes closed. Inhale. Exhale. Observe the movement. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. One last time. Breathe in. Breathe out. And release your hands. Place your palms on your thighs and relax yourself completely. Hand stretch breathing. For this, interlock your hand, place it on your chest, elbows completely relaxed. Now, as you inhale, slowly stretch your hands forward, palms facing out. As you exhale, bring your palms to your chest and completely relax your elbows. Keep your eyes closed. Practice this with awareness. Inhale, stretch your hands fully. Exhale, bring your palms to your chest. Release. Again, inhale, stretch. Exhale, bring your palms to your chest. So this is practicing at 90 degrees. Let us do this at 135 degrees. Inhale, stretch your arms to 135 degrees. Exhale, bring your hands to your chest, elbows relaxed. Two more times. Inhale, fully stretch. Observing the movement of your hands. Exhale, bring your palms to your chest. Last time, inhale, stretch your arms. Exhale, bringing your palms to your chest. And practicing this at 180 degrees. Inhale, fully stretch your arms up towards the ceiling. Exhale, bringing your palms to your chest, collapsing your shoulders, relax your elbows. Inhale, exhale, one last time. Inhale and exhale completely. Release your hands. Place your palms on your thighs. What time?
Collapse your whole body on the ground. Keep your legs apart, hands apart, palms facing the ceiling. And gently bring a nice smile on your face. Let go of all parts of the body. Start the practice with instant relaxation technique, IRT.
Arms facing the ceiling. Lying down comfortably and relax yourself before we start the practice. And slowly from here, bring both your legs together. Stretch your hands above the head placing them on the ground, biceps close to your ears. Now from here, as you inhale, slowly lift your leg up. Now it's not important how high you raise your leg. You can be at 20 degrees, 30 degrees, but with inhalation. As you exhale gently, bend your knee, interlock your hand, bring your knee to your chest, and lift your forehead up. And then with your left leg, just make circles. You can make 5 circles in the clockwise direction and 5 in the anti-clockwise direction. And once you're done, slowly inhale, bring your left leg down, bring your forehead down, stretch your leg up, bring your hands by the side, and with exhalation, gently taking your leg down and hands above the head. Once you're done with the right side, you can practice this on the left side as well. And after.
For phase 1, observe the abdominal movements. Bring your awareness to the movements of the abdominal muscles, moving up and down as you breathe in and out. Observe the random movement of the abdominal muscles. Do not manipulate the breathing, let it be natural. Simply observe the abdominal movement. And from here, count 5 rounds mentally, with 1 inhalation and 1 exhalation forming 1 round. Now the second phase, associate with the breathing. Synchronize the abdominal movements with the breathing. While inhaling, the abdominal muscles bulging up, and while exhaling, the abdominal muscles sinking down. Practice with the breathing. Inhale deeply and exhale completely. Continue this for 5 rounds. Now the third phase, breathing with feeling. As you inhale, the abdominal muscles are coming up. Feel the whole body getting energized and feel the lightness. As you exhale, feel the whole body collapsing, sinking down nicely, releasing all the stress and the tensions completely. Inhale deeply and exhale completely. Continue for 5 rounds. Slowly from here, bring your legs together and the hands by the side of your body.
So abdominal breathing. For this you can come into Vajrasana, folding your right, folding your left leg, sitting on your heels. And then with your hands come into Chin Mudra. So the two fingers, so your thumb and your index finger, touching each other, place it on your thighs. From here, as we inhale, the stomach will bulge out. As you exhale, stomach will go in. So just breathing in through your stomach, breathing out through your stomach. So let's observe this again. And release. So thoracic breathing, chest breathing. For this, coming into Chinmaya Mudra, so the thumb, index finger, fold it like this, place it on your thighs. And from here, we'll breathe into the chest and release from the chest. So no movement from your stomach or your clavicular region. So let us do this together. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, lifting your chest up, observe the movement, exhale, chest coming down. One last time, inhale, exhale, and release. Clavicular breathing. So for this, we'll come into Adi Mudra, the two fingers. So make it like a fist. Place it on your thighs. From here, as you inhale, breathing in to your clavicular region, lifting your shoulders up, breathing out, bringing your shoulders down, releasing the air from your clavicular region. So it is breathing only up till your clavicular region. So let's do this again. Eyes closed. One more time, inhale. Exhale. And release your hands. Open your eyes. So we will be doing full yogic breathing. So abdominal breathing, chest breathing, and clavicular breathing, all three together. So from here, we'll come into Brahma Mudra. So making a fist, placing it near your navel region. And as we inhale, we'll bulge our stomach out, lift our chest and our clavicular up. And as you exhale, clavicular down, chest down, abdominal muscles going in. So we'll do this together. Inhale. Again, inhale, bulging your stomach out. Lifting your chest, then your clavicular. Exhale, bringing your clavicular down, chest down, sucking your abdominal muscles in. One last time, inhale. And exhale. And release. This is also called sectional breathing. So part by part we are breathing. So first into our abdomen, taking it up to our thoracic or the chest, and then to our clavicular breathing. So it's called full yogic breathing. So we'll be doing pranayam. So the first practice is Anulom Vilom. So coming into Nasika Mudra, folding the two fingers next to your thumb. Now bring your thumb, place it on your right nostril. Exhaling out of your left. Inhaling from your left. Using the two fingers, close your left, release your thumb, exhale from your right. Inhale from your right. Use your thumb, close your right nostril, exhale from your left. This completes one round of Anulom Vilom. Similarly, you can do this for 9 rounds and 4 times a day. For after this, we will be looking at Bhramari. So Bhramari can be done, bring your thumb, close your ear. You can place your fingers in your eyes, nostrils softly, and above and under the lips. Now inhaling deeply, Feeling the vibrations in the head region. Shitali practice. Again, it's a cooling pranayam. So sit in any comfortable position, cross-legged, Padmasana, half Padmasana or Vajrasana. And from here, roll your tongue like a crow's beak. Breathe in through the gap. Taking your tongue inside, release the air from your nose. You can keep your eyes closed and practice this together. Rolling your tongue, bringing it out. Taking your tongue inside and exhale through your nostrils. One last time. Take your tongue out, roll. Inhale. Tongue inside, exhale through your nostrils. Observe the warm air coming out through your nostrils and release. Sheetkari practice, coming into any comfortable seated position. So you can sit in crossed leg. From here, roll your tongue and bring it between your lips. Breathe in through the gaps on the side and breathe out through the nostril. So observe this. We'll practice this 2 more times. Folding your tongue. Breathe in. Breathing out through your nostrils. One last time. Fold your tongue. Observe the cool air going in as you breathe in and warm air coming out as you breathe out. Inhale. Exhale through your nose. So we will do Sadanta practice. So it's a cooling pranayam. So sit in any comfortable position. You can sit in crossed leg, Padmasana, half Padmasana or Vajrasana. So keep your eyes closed. From here you clench your teeth, bringing one on top of the other. And from here inhale through the crevices. And exhale through your nose. We'll continue this 2 more times. Inhale. Exhale through your nose. This time when you practice, observe the cool air going in as you inhale and warm air coming out of your nostril as you exhale. So clenching your teeth again. And release.